Okay. Uh, Basically, this is the microstrip antenna system. The construction diagram of microstrip antenna system. In that, very first, it is a very small. It is a very small in size. This antenna system is very small in size. It consists of radiating metal. It consists of radiating metal patch. Okay, this is the dielectric substrate which is shaded by pink color, and this is the ground plane which is shaded by yellow color, and this patch is on another side of this dielectric substrate. Okay, it consists of radiating metal patch on one side of dielectric substrate and the other side having ground plane. Okay, patch is a small patch. क्या होता है ये small conducting metallic patch होता है which is a conducting element. Okay, also called as internal antenna. This antenna is also called as microstrip antenna, is also called as microstrip microstrip antenna is also microstrip antenna is also called as internal antenna. Internal antenna, microstrip antenna means it is a very small in shape. This antenna is in very small in shape, that's why it is called as microstrip antenna. The name suggests itself, a small antenna system which can be easily load to any device, means that's why it is also called as internal antenna system. Because internal antenna system क्यों कहा गया है इसे इंटरनल एंटेना सिस्टम, इसे इसलिए कहा गया है क्योंकि ये बहुत ही स्मॉल इन साइज होता है और किसी भी सिस्टम में ये अडेप्ट हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज इंटरनल एंटेना सिस्टम ऑल्सो. ओके, इन योर मोबाइल सिस्टम सच टाइप ऑफ एंटेना वी यूज्ड. ओके, ये मोबाइल में भी यूज होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज इंटरनल एंटेना सिस्टम. Okay, this is the constructional diagram. The one side of your dielectric substrate consists of radiating patch and another side consists of ground plane. Okay, and in between we have dielectric substrate. Epsilon R is called as dielectric constant. Epsilon R is called as dielectric constant. Patch is a small conducting metallic substance. I'm indicating dielectric constant. Patch is a small conducting metallic substance. Patch is made up of copper and gold. जो पैच होता है ये made up of copper and gold, but if we are using gold there, then it will be a costlier system, will be costlier. That's why we use mostly copper in patch material. Okay, many common shape it is used. ये बहुत common shapes में रहता है. This patch is like a rectangle, so it is called as rectangular microstrip antenna system. और ये बहुत सारे शेप्स में भी अवेलेबल होता है. जैसे स्क्वायर, जो कॉमन शेप्स होते हैं जैसे सर्कल, सर्कुलर माइक्रोस्ट्रिप एंटेना, स्क्वायर माइक्रोस्ट्रिप एंटेना, then your rectangular microstrip antenna like this. Okay, this microstrip antenna also available. Okay, radiating patch and the feed line. रेडिएटिंग पैच जो होता है, अब देखिए यहाँ पे जो पोर्शन है ये सब डाइलेक्ट्रिक सबस्ट्रेट है, विच आई एम शेडेड इन अ पिंक कलर. डाइलेक्ट्रिक सबस्ट्रेट, दिस स्मॉल is a conducting radiating substance which is called as patch. Okay, this patch is conducting radiating substrate, and in ground we have a ground plane to complete our circuitry. This is the ground plane. This is the height of patch. This is the width of your patch. This is the length of your patch system. Okay, epsilon r is nothing but dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. Okay. Then this is the height of your dielectric constant. Height of dielectric constant. ओके, द रेडिएटिंग पैच अब क्या होता है, ये रेडिएशन के लिए जो इनपुट की आवश्यकता होती है, तो क्या क्या होता है, यहाँ से दो फीड लाइंस अटैच की जाती है टू द पैच फ्रॉम डाइलेक्ट्रिक सबस्ट्रेट से। फीड, these are the feed lines, these are the feed lines attached to the patch, metallic patch, through dielectric substance. The radiating patch and the feed line, radiating patch जो ये पैच है और ये जो फीड लाइंस है, आर फोटो ईस्ट ऑन डाइलेक्ट्रिक सबस्ट्रेट। ये जिस प्रोसेस से यहाँ पे इचिंग किया जाता है, पैच से कनेक्ट किया जाता है your feeding lines through the dielectric substrate is called as photo etched. The method is called as photo etched method is used. This question is very important. What is photo etched method? The method which is used to connect patch through the feed lines through dielectric substrate is called as the etching process is called as photo etched method or photo etched. Okay. Now we are going to discuss what is the radiating mechanism of microstrip antenna system. Now we are going to discuss radiating mechanism of microstrip antenna system. This is your substrate. This is your dielectric substrate. Okay, this is your dielectric substrate. This is ground. This is ground. One side of your dielectric substrate is grounded and other side is through metallic patch. This is metallic patch. This is feed lines. This is the feed lines. This is length. L is the length of your patch. Length of your patch. H is the height. W is the width of your antenna patch. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the radiation mechanism of microstrip antenna system. For that, very first we are going to some assumptions for construction of this antenna system. Some assumptions are there for to construct this antenna system, which is in which the length is what for your patch system, the height is what for your dielectric system, the width is what for your patch system, metallic patch, all that discuss in this assumption. Okay. For rectangular patch, for rectangular patch, 0.3333 lambda naught is less than length L, is less than length L, is less than 0.5 lambda 0. Means your length of this patch is in between these two values. Okay. Now this is H, this small h, the small h is the height of dielectric substrate. The height of dielectric substrate is this, and height small h, the height of your patch system is this. Okay, so the height of your dielectric substrate 0.003 lambda naught is less than equal to height is less than equal to 0.05 lambda naught. Okay, then 2.2, this dielectric constant is 2.2 is less than equal to your dielectric constant, which is less than equal to 12. Okay, these are three assumptions we have to consider while constructing this microstrip antenna. Means the height is what for your patch system, height is what for your dielectric system, W is what, and the length is what for your micro patch system. Okay, microstrip system. This is patch P. Okay, so these are some assumptions while we are constructing this antenna system. Now, what is the radiating mechanism for this antenna system? Antenna radiate primarily because of fringing field. Okay, you have to consider, you have to understand what is very first, understand a fringing field or fringing effect is what? Fringing field or effect. This is very important in microstrip antenna system. फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड और फ्रिंगिंग इफेक्ट ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. यही फ्रिंगिंग यही फील्ड होती है जिसकी वजह से ये जो एंटेना माइक्रोस्ट्रिप एंटेना होता है ये रेडिएट करता है due to this field. Okay, so you have to understand what is the fringing effect, what is the fringing field or fringing effect. Okay, antenna radiate primarily, this antenna is radiate primarily because of fringing field between patch edges and ground plane. Due to this ground plane and edges of this patch, this fringing effect is done. Okay, ये जो एंटेना रेडिएट प्राइमरीली बिकॉज ऑफ फायरिंग फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड. फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड कहाँ पे होती है? फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड होती है ये जो एजेस होते हैं, दिस एजेस, दिस इज फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड, दिस इज फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड बिटवीन. ये फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड कहाँ पे होती है? बिटवीन एजेस ऑफ योर पैच, दिस इज योर पैच, एजेस ऑफ योर पैच एंड plane and ground plane. इस ग्राउंड प्लेन और एजेस ऑफ योर पैच के बीच में जो फील्ड जनरेट होती है उसे फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड या फिर फ्रिंगिंग इफेक्ट कहा जाता है। ओके, अब आगे आगे पढ़ेंगे कि फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड कैसे जनरेट होती है। ठीक है, वो आगे ही देखते हैं हम लोग। ओके, एंटेना रेडिएट प्राइमरीली बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड बिटवीन पैच एज एंड ग्राउंड प्लेन ड्यू टू इनपुट फ्रॉम फीड लाइंस करंट ऑसिलेट। देखो बेसिकली क्या होता है, ड्यू टू, if we are giving input, that is electrical one, if we are giving input to this two feeding lines, what will happen here, a alternating current is generated. Okay, this alternating current is going through this patch system which is in oscillating. Okay, which is oscillating, and at the edges of that patch system it reflected out, it radiate out, then this radiated out radiation is called as fringing field or fringing effect. Understood? Understand the concept? What is fringing effect? Fringing effect is what, basically when we giving input, when we giving due to input which is electrical one to this feed lines, current oscillate, current oscillate through length of this patch system, current oscillate through length of this patch system, and length of this patch system, and at the edge, and at the edge it radiate is called as fringing effect. Okay, at the edge it radiate is called as fringing effect. This is the radiation mechanism. Okay, in that field varies along the patch length, जो field रहेगी वो vary होगी along the patch length, along the patch length which is about lambda by 2. The field variation जो भी होगा ये length में, this length field radiation जो भी होगा वो रहेगा lambda by 2, which is about lambda by 2. Field at the end can be resolved into the normal and tangential component with respect to the ground plane. Now, we are going to discuss what is tangential and normal components. ठीक है, हम पढ़ते हैं आगे थोड़ा। अब इंटरनल, इसके इंटरनल में किस तरह से रहता है वो देखते हैं। ओके, we are going step by step. Now we are going to discuss the internal radiation system and process what happened. हम एक क्रॉस सेक्शन इसका लेते हैं जो हमने अभी अभी ड्रॉ किया था, जो हम लोगों ने अभी ड्रॉ किया था। क्या किया था हम लोगों ने ड्रॉ, रेडिएटिंग मैकेनिज्म के लिए हमने ये ड्रॉ किया था। अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो सिस्टम है इसको इंटरनल हम अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, इंटरनल स्टडी करेंगे, तो हम इसका क्रॉस सेक्शन इस तरह से, हमने इस तरह से क्रॉस सेक्शन इसका स्टडी के लिए उसको लेते हैं हम और देखते हैं व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड। दिस इज द क्रॉस सेक्शन। फॉर एग्जांपल इतना ही लेते हैं, दिस इज द सबस्ट्रेट, फॉर एग्जांपल कि ये आपका डाइलेक्ट्रिक सबस्ट्रेट है। ओके, दिस इज योर डाइलेक्ट्रिक सबस्ट्रेट। इन दैट, थोड़ा बड़ा करते हैं ताकि अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड हो पाए। दिस इज योर डाइलेक्ट्रिक सबस्ट्रेट which is H, H is the height of your dielectric substrate, and this is your patch. Consider this is the indication. This is your patch. This is your patch, antenna patch, the radiating substance. Okay, this is your patch. This is the length of your patch. Okay, अब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. This is ER, dielectric substrate, dielectric constant. This is your substrate. This one is, this is your ground. This is your ground plane. This is the ground plane. This is substrate, and this is a microstrip patch. Okay, this is the H is the height, L is the length of that microstrip patch. हमने स्टडी करने के लिए क्या किया, सिर्फ ये जो लेंथ है, ये सबस्ट्रेट है, इसका इस तरह से कट करके क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया लिया है. ओके, सो लाइक दिस इज द क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया. इन दैट एल, दिस microstrip patch, this is your patch, microstrip patch. This is the substrate which is here. This is the substrate. Epsilon r, which is the dielectric constant. Here epsilon r, dielectric constant. This height h, this height h, which is this height h. The length L of this patch. This is the length L of this patch. This is the cross sectional area which we are considering for study the radiation pattern. Okay. Okay. Now field at the end can be resolved. The field at the end can be, yeah, this. Okay. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था on before page, what we are discussing, this is the field lines. क्या करेंगे हम लोग, इनपुट देंगे फील्ड लाइन से, विच इज इलेक्ट्रिकल इनपुट. देन दिस अल्टरनेटिंग करंट इज गोइंग थ्रू दिस, ऑसिलेट थ्रू दिस लेंथ ऑफ दिस पैच. इस पैच के लेंथ से वो ऑसिलेट करेगा और एट द एजेस जो कुछ भी रेडिएट होगा, एट द एजेस जो कुछ भी रेडिएट होगा उसे कहेंगे फ्रिंगिंग इफेक्ट एंड फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड. उस फील्ड को क्या है कहेंगे हम लोग, फ्रिंगिंग फील्ड. नाउ कंसिडरिंग इन दिस डायग्राम द इंटर क्रॉस सेक्शनल, दिस फील्ड, ये लेंथ जो है उसमें से ऑसिलेट होते होते जिस तरह से जो फील्ड जाएगी इज लाइक दिस. ओके, like this. Okay, and some radiation is like this, because alternating current consists of positive as well as negative cycles. Okay. ये लेंथ के थ्रू ऑसिलेट करेगी, जो हमने अभी अभी देखा था, लेंथ के थ्रू ऑसिलेट करेगी. नाउ एट द एजेस क्या होगा, ये लेंथ के जो एजेस थे वहां पे क्या होगा, इस तरह से रेडिएशन होगा, लाइक दिस. Here also like this, a field is affected or radiated like this. Okay, now this nominal fields, ये जो है इसे nominals, इसे normal fields कहते हैं. This normal fields and this tangential fields is cancelled each other. ये एक दूसरे से cancelled out each other because both are in opposite direction. That is, if these are the positive ones, then these are the negative ones, and positive negative get cancelled out each other. That's why we get only tangential fring components. अगर ये दोनों एक दूसरे को कैंसिल आउट करेगी तो हमें सिर्फ ये टेंजेंशियल फ्रिंग कंपोनेंट्स मिलेंगे. Then we will get these only tangential fringe components. We will get only this tangential fringe components. This fringe tangential component are in phase, ये सभी एक phase में है, are in phase and resulting field combine to give maximum radiated field. And result क्या आएगा, ये सभी एक ही phase में है, तो resultant field is a addition of all these and we will get a maximum radiated field from this microstrip antenna system. Okay, trade-off between the antenna, we will discuss in next. Okay, field at the end can be resolved into the normal and tangential component with respect to the ground plane. Okay, this is the radiating mechanism of microstrip antenna system. This is the cross sectional mechanism